Hey pilots, Delaney here with Maverick, and today we're going to be unboxing the all-new DJI Mini 2 SE. Let's dive in. Alright, going in, you can see that we have our Mini 2 Standard Edition aircraft right here. And let's see what else is in this box. Alright. And then here we have our controller. So this is our RC controller, and you will need your phone to use it. We also have this little box which contains our data and charging cables and extra propellers. Now that we have this all unboxed, let's go test it on the field. All right guys, now we're on the field and let's test out this Mini 2 SE.